Good morning, everyone. I am welcome for today's lecture. In the last lecture, we have solved one problem based on the series RLC circuit. So, in that we got the roots complex conjugate. So, according to that, we have solved that problem. So, today we are going to solve the second problem based on RLC circuit. So, I have given in the last lecture, I have given the question. So once again, you can note down the question if you not noted. Then carefully read the question. What are the given things? Carefully observe the circuit diagram, and then you can start to find out the solution for current. So in the question, in the network shown in figure, the switch K, okay, the switch K is here. It is moving from position A to position B at time t equal to 0. Means the switch is at position A previously. It is moving or shifting from A to position B at time t equal to 0. So the statement is given also. The switch K is in position A for long time. म्हणजे switch before moving the switch from position A to B, it was remaining at position A for long time. Okay, this statement is very important to find out the final condition or initial condition. Now next, what you have to find out from this problem? Determine current I for t greater than or equal to 0. Means when switch is moving from A to B, you have to find out the transient response of current, that is I, for time t greater than or equal to 0. So we are going to solve this problem. So when switch K, when switch K is moved from position A to position B at time t equal to 0. Okay, so according to that, I will draw the circuit once again. Carefully draw the diagram. So the switch is at, now I will consider the switch is at position B. For position B, supply voltage is 50 volt. Okay, so position A I will consider somewhere here. So it is 25 volt. So this will be dotted now. The position of A switch is at position B. So this will be the K, switch K. So this switch already moved at time t equal to 0. So this is the A, this is the B, you can show that. So resistor value is 10 ohm, R, L is equal to 2 Henry, and capacitor C is equal to 3 farad. Okay, and you can find out this current I by applying KVL. Okay, now here already the polarity of supply voltage is already they are giving. So according to this current I, so direction of current you can also check with the help of polarity of this supply voltage. So the direction is correct. If not given direction of current, you can mark according to the polarity of supply voltage. So according to this direction of current I will mark the polarity of voltage drop across resistor, across inductor, and across capacitor, so that I can easily apply the KVL. Okay, now you can apply the KVL for determining the current I. So apply KVL, So if you are applying KVL, minus to plus, that is plus 50. Next, minus R into I minus L into di by dt. First of all, write in terms of variable, that is RL, then put the values of components, then minus 1 upon C integration of I dt is equal to 0. Okay, now you can put the value minus 50 minus 10 into I, that is 10I minus the inductor value is 2 into di by dt, and minus 1 upon 3 because capacitor value is 3 farad. 1 upon 3 integration of I dt is equal to 0. So integration part is here. We want to remove that integration. For that you have to take the derivative of I with respect to t. Take derivative of I with respect to time t. Okay, so derivation of constant is 0. Then minus 10 into di by dt. Then minus 2 into d square I divided by dt square. Then minus 1 upon 3, integration and derivation will get cancelled, only I will come is equal to 0. Now take the minus common and arrange according to the decreasing order of derivation, that is 2 into d square I divided by dt square plus 10 into 10 into di by dt plus 1 upon 3 into I is equal to 0. Okay, so I want for higher order derivation term, the coefficient should be always 1. So divide both side by 2. Divide both side by 2. Okay, so what you are getting here, d square I divided by dt square plus 10 divided by 2 means 5. 5 into di by dt. Next plus 1 upon 3 into 2 means 1 upon 6 into I is equal to 0. Okay, now take the characteristics equation. The characteristics equation is given by the characteristics equation is d square plus 5d plus 1 upon 6 bracket complete into I is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Now this is called as what? Characteristics equation, d square plus 5d plus 1 upon 6. Okay, so this looks like a quadratic equation. So how many roots are there? 2 roots are there. You can use calculator and find out the roots, or you can go by manual method. So I will show the manual method. You can also adapt the calculator. You can take the calculator, you can directly find out by putting the coefficients in the equation mode. You will get the roots. Therefore the roots of equation 1 are so a is equal to here 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1 upon 6. So this c is a constant, remember, not a capacitor. Okay, c is equal to 1 upon 6. So what are the roots? d1 comma d2 is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So put all those values, minus 5 plus minus under root 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 6 divided by 2 into 1. So calculate and tell me the answers. Tell me the roots. So I will tell is equal to minus 2.5 plus minus 2.47 येतो. तो रूट हे केल्यावर मग एकदा प्लस घ्यायचा एकदा मायनस घ्यायचा. सो d1 इज इक्वल टू minus 2.5 plus 2.47 and d2 is equal to minus 2.5 minus 2.47. म्हणजे एकदा प्लस घ्यायचा एकदा मायनस घ्यायचा. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, what is the d1 here? This is k1 and this is k2. So minus 2.5 plus 2.47, त्याचा आन्सर किती येईल बघा. ओके, मायनस येणार ना, मायनस 0.03. ओके, and next d2 is equal to मायनस आणि मायनस म्हणजे मायनस 4.97 येणार. Okay, so these are the two roots. So what are the nature of roots? त्याचे type काय? Roots are complex number or real number. Okay, the roots are real, and whether they are equal or unequal. Unequal means case number, case 1, 2, 3. The roots are, if roots are real and unequal, then what is the solution? What is the equation of that solution? Okay, so the roots are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Therefore, the solution of equation 1 is, so what is the solution equation? I is equal to C1 into e, C1 into e raised to that is K1 plus K2 into T plus C2 into e raised to K1 minus K2 into T. बरोबर आहे? ओके. और तुम्हाला अजून एक इक्वेशन जर K1 K2 मध्ये जर कळत नसेल तर तुम्ही असं लिहू शकता, I इज इक्वल टू C1 into e raised to D1 into T plus C2 into e raised to D2 into T. So D1 you can put directly this value and D2 you can put directly this value. Otherwise K1 plus K2 म्हणजे हा K1 आणि हा K2. ओके. सो कन्फ्युजन नको म्हणून मी दोन्ही इक्वेशन दिले. जे इक्वेशन तुम्हाला पाठ करायचे ते पाठ करून घ्या. सो I is equal to C1 into e raised to D1 is what? Minus 0.03 into T plus C2 into e raised to minus 4.97 into T. So this will be the equation number 2. Still the problem not completed because we need to find out the arbitrary constant C1 as well as C2. So how to find out these arbitrary constant? We have to use the initial conditions. Okay, so initial conditions we are going to use. So initial condition you can write initial conditions. So what will be the initial conditions? What will be the initial condition according to the diagram? Okay, that initial condition I will tell. The statement as given in the question, as switch K is or was, as switch K was at position A for long time, as switch K was at position A for long time, that is t less than 0, म्हणजे t जेव्हा 0 पेक्षा कमी होता त्या पिरियड साठी switch K was at position A for long time. So due to this, therefore due to this, inductor acts as short circuit and capacitor acts as open circuit. So this is the property of inductor and capacitor. So when switch K was at position A for long time, that is for t less than 0, due to this the inductor will act as short circuit and capacitor will act as a open circuit. So I will give the table in the next lecture, what is the property of inductor and capacitor, how they behave for some particular conditions. Okay, So that table is very important for understanding the concept. So time being here, you can understand that when switch K was at position A for a long time, due to this, the inductor will act as a short circuit and capacitor will act as an open circuit. So I will draw that circuit so that you can understand the concept and you can easily find out the values of initial parameters. Okay, at position A means I will draw the at position A the supply was 25 volt, no? Okay, 25 volt. Now this is the R equal to 10 ohm, L is shorted and capacitor is open. Okay, so at this is the switch K and it is at position A when T is less than 0. When T is less than 0, it is position A. So here capacitor acts as a short circuit and it is acts as an open circuit. So at T is equal to less than 0 or so what will be the value of current? Anyone can tell? I less than 0. So it is a notation. In this way you can note down. So what will be the current value when switch was at position A due to this condition? कोण सांगेल मला current value काय आहे? Who will tell? What will be the value of current here? Please reply fast. What will be the value of current? Observe the circuit and tell the answer. काय येईल करंटचं व्हॅल्यू? सर्किट कसं आहे बघा ना. इट इज क्लोज सर्किट और ओपन सर्किट. मग करंटचं व्हॅल्यू किती असतं ओपन मध्ये? 0 नो. ओपन इथं ओपन आहे. ओके, पण नो करंट इज फ्लोईंग. सो ड्यू टू दिस कंडिशन म्हणजे इंडक्टर शॉर्ट झाला पण कॅपॅसिटर ओपन आहे, त्यामुळे काय होणार हा ओपन सर्किट. मग ओपन सर्किट मध्ये करंटचं व्हॅल्यू किती असतं? 0. सो दॅट कंडिशन यू हॅव टू यूज. ओके, दॅट कंडिशन यू हॅव टू यूज. सो therefore the current in the circuit is 0 ampere. Okay, for t less than 0. For t less than, the current in the circuit is 0. That is even though just the switch is closed, the inductor does not allow the sudden change in current. Therefore even though switch K is at position B at time t equal to 0, so for t is equal to 0 plus, the current in the circuit, that is I of 0 or I of 0 plus, is remain 0 ampere because inductor does not allow sudden change in current. म्हणजे जे काही प्रिव्हियसली होतं तेच थोड्या वेळासाठी कंटिन्यू होणार. म्हणजे प्रिव्हियस करंट किती होता? 0 अँपिअर when switch was at position A. So when it is moving from A to B at time t equal to 0, for some times means 0 plus, the current in the circuit was same as previous. मग previous किती होता? 0 अँपिअर. मग तोच कंटिन्यू होणार. Therefore put t equal to 0 and I of 0 is equal to 0 ampere in equation 2. We get, ओके, मग करंटचं व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 0. E इज इक्वल टू इक्वेशन काय आपला? C1 इंटू ई रेस टू किती आहे? -0.03 इंटू 0, कारण टीचं व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे, प्लस C2 इंटू ई रेस टू -4.97 इंटू 0. आता ह्याचं काय होईल? 0 इंटू C1 e raised to anything, e raised to 0 is always 1. Okay, plus C2 into e raised to 0 is always 1. So 0 is equal to C1 plus C2. Okay, so C1 is equal to minus of C2. So this is the one answer you got. One answer कशावरनं सांगतो. So put this in equation 2. Put this in equation 2. Therefore I is equal to, आता मी काय करतोय, C1 as it is ठेवतो, C1 into e raised to minus 0.03 into t. आता C2 च्या ऐवजी काय करतोय, C2 च्या ऐवजी minus C1. So minus C1 into e raised to minus 4.97 into t. ओके, सो हा झाला तुमचा आता इक्वेशन नंबर 3. अजून आपलं C1 चा आन्सर काढायचं. C1 चा आन्सर काढला की तुमचा प्रॉब्लेम कंप्लीट होतो. ओके, सो wait just 1 minute. Okay, so here C1 value we need to find out. So for that we are going to use one more initial conditions. So same way what we used previously, that di by dt you have to consider, म्हणजे डेरिवेशन घ्यायचा, ह्या इक्वेशनचा डेरिवेशन घ्यायचा. मग डेरिवेशन घेतल्यानंतर di by dt येईल. मग तुम्हाला कंडिशन परत तुम्हाला सांगतो व्हॉट विल बी द कंडिशन. ओके, टेक derivative of I, take derivative of I with respect to t for above equation. For above equation. ओके, आता ह्या इक्वेशनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं. डी बाय डी टी in the left hand side is equal to C1 as it is. So what is the derivation of this term? या डेरिव्हेशनचं काय येईल, e raised to minus 0.03 into t. So I will write minus 0.03 into e raised to minus 0.03 into t. बरोबर आहे. e raised to anything असं येईल आणि त्याचा परत कोएफिशियंटचा डेरिव्हेशन प्लस सॉरी हिअर मायनस C1 into ह्याचा डेरिव्हेशन minus 4.97 into e raised to minus 4.97 into t. ओके, आता जर मी व्यवस्थित लिहितो, डी बाय डी टी इज इक्वल टू, ओके, ह्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती येईल, मायनस 0.03 इंटू C1 इंटू e raised to minus 0.03 इंटू टी. नेक्स्ट हा मायनस आणि हा मायनस कॅन्सल होऊन प्लस होतो, प्लस 4.97 इंटू C1 into e raised to minus 4.97 into t. Okay, so this will be the equation number 4. This will be considered as a equation number 4. So we have to use the final condition, no? So final condition I will write. Okay, initial mana, final mana, whatever. So add as switch k is moving from position A to position B, as switch k is moving from position A to position B at time t equal to 0. Therefore for t 0 plus, the current in the circuit is 0. Okay, the current in the circuit is 0, but what will be the voltage across inductor? Voltage across inductor, what will be the voltage across inductor after closing the switch? आता उलट होणार, for t is equal to 0 plus, but inductor now converting short circuit to open circuit, and capacitor will convert from open circuit to short circuit. So after closing the switch I am talking. In the previous case I talked about the inductor was short circuit and capacitor was open circuit due to the as the switch was remaining at position A for long time असल्यामुळं इंडक्टर काय होत होतं तिथं ओपन आणि कॅपॅसिटर शॉर्ट होता. ओके, उलट कॅपॅसिटर ओपन होत होता आणि इंडक्टर शॉर्ट झालेला होता. पण आता जेव्हा स्विच ए पासून बी कडे गेलेला आहे त्याच्यानंतर आयचं व्हॅल्यू 0 असल्यामुळे इंडक्टर ओपन होणार आणि कॅपॅसिटर काय होणार, short होणार. So the circuit diagram I will draw. So when the switch is closed, the voltage is 50 volt because this is at position B. इथं लिहितो position B. So resistor R equal to 10 ohm, बरोबर आहे. So inductor will becomes open and capacitor will become short. So capacitor short circuit and inductor open circuit. So what will be the voltage across inductor? That is VL. Who will tell? As soon as the switch is moving from position A to B, when B is there, 50 volt is connected. So as soon as it is moving from A to B, inductor acts as the open circuit, capacitor acts as the short circuit. So as this open circuit is there, current is 0. That is okay. Okay, current value मी इथं काय लिहितो? I of 0 plus is also 0 ampere. But what is the voltage? Who will tell? What is the voltage? What is the formula voltage across the inductor? Or by observation tell me what is the voltage across inductor here? What is the value of VL? VL of 0 plus म्हणा. Voltage across inductor at time 0 plus. काय असणार आहे voltage? क्विक. करंट 0 असल्यामुळे ह्याच्या अक्रॉस व्होल्टेज किती झाला? 0 व्होल्ट. बरोबर आहे की नाही? R इंटू I असतो. ओके, त्यामुळे हा 0 व्होल्ट. इथं पण कॅपॅसिटर शॉर्ट आहे. कॅपॅसिटर शॉर्ट जरी असेल ओके तरी करंटचं व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे. त्यामुळे ह्याच्या अक्रॉसचा व्होल्टेज काय आहे? 0 व्होल्ट. किंवा शॉर्ट सर्किट पाथचा व्होल्टेज किती असतो? 0 व्होल्ट. मग मला सांगा VL ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे? VL इज सेम ॲज सप्लाय किंवा KVL अप्लाय करा, तुम्हाला VL इज इक्वल टू 50 मिळेल. ओके, सो VL ऑफ 0 प्लस इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट? 50 व्होल्ट बाय KVL सांगतो तुम्हाला. You can apply the KVL here. You will get VL is equal to 50 volt. So put or VL म्हणजेच काय? L into di by dt. VL चा फॉर्म्युला काय? L into di by dt is equal to 50. So di by dt is equal to 50 by L. So what is the value of L? L चं व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? That is the 2 Henry ना. So 50 divided by 2, that will be the 25. बरोबर आहे. di by dt is equal to 50 divided by 2, that is 25. So put t is equal to 0 plus, that is equal to 0, and di by dt is equal to 25 in equation number 4. Equation number 4 असला, just I will check. Yes, in equation number 4. So we get, आता मी लिहितो, I चं व्हॅल्यू di by dt किती आहे? 25 in the left hand side is equal to minus of 0.03 into C1 into e raised to 0 plus 4.97 into C1 into e raised to 0. बरोबर आहे. आता e raised to 0 म्हणजे 1, e raised to 0 म्हणजे 1, म्हणजे 25 is equal to minus 0.03 into C1 प्लस 4.97 into C1. या दोघांचे ऍडिशन करा, किती होते बघा? 25 is equal to, आय थिंक इट्स किती येत आहे त्याचा आन्सर? एक मिनिट. Okay, so here it is 4.94 into C1. So what is the answer of C1? 25 divided by 4.94 करा 5.06. So C1 answer you got 5.06. So what is the C2 value? Who will tell? C1 is equal to 5.06. C2 म्हणजे काय? Minus of C1. बरोबर आहे? So C2 is equal to minus of 5.06. So put these two equation in equation number 3. You will get the final answer. Equation 3 का 2 चेक करा. Equation 2 असेल. So put C1 and C2 values in equation 2. So I is equal to, first of all I will write equation 2. I is equal to C1 into e raised to minus 0.03 into t plus C2 into e raised to minus 4.97 into t. So this is the equation number 2. So I is equal to C1 value किती आला 5.06 into e raised to minus 0.03 into t. C2 चं व्हॅल्यू किती आला मायनस आलाय minus 5.06 into e raised to minus 4.97 into t. So this is the final answer of the current. So you can write unit ampere because this is the current and this is for t greater than or equal to 0. So this will be the answer of your question. So this will come by practice. जेवढं तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस कराल तेवढा तुमचा हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करेल. मिनिमम इट विल टेक व्हॉट 15 मिनिट्स. जास्तीत जास्त 15 मिनिट लागेल. We will solve one more. Find current I. Find current I for t greater than equal to 0. Find the current I for t greater than or equal to 0 in the network shown in figure. Find current I for t greater than or equal to 0 in the network shown in figure. Okay. The switch yes is closed. The switch yes is closed at time t equal to 0. Assume no initial charge on capacitor and inductor. So this is the question. So diagram I will draw. Find current I for t greater than or equal to 0 in the network shown in figure. The switch yes is closed at time t equal to 0. Assume no initial charge on capacitor and inductor. The circuit I will draw whatever the given in the question. Okay. So this is the diagram here. The RLC value, resistor, inductor, capacitor are connected in series. The values of components are given. 2 ohm as a resistor, 1 Henry as an inductor, 1 farad as a capacitor. The switch is closing at time t equal to 0. Okay, same problem is there. What we solved for problem number 1. Problem number 1 मध्ये जे सोडवलं त्या टाइपचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे हा. So I will just give the hint. We can find out the roots, and after that you can try as a homework remaining part. So we will start to find out the solution. When switch S is closed, when switch S is closed at t equal to 0. Okay, assume that switch is closed at t equal to 0. So according to that you can draw the diagram. So switch is just closing at time t equal to 0. So this is a 100 volt. Resistor is 2 ohm. Inductor is 1 Henry, and capacitor C is equal to 1 farad. So as switch is closing at t equal to 0, we are finding out the current I according to KVL. So according to this direction of current, mark the polarities plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. So when switch S is closed at t is equal to 0, we can apply KVL. So KVL you can apply here, minus to plus, that is plus 100. Next minus R into I. Next minus L into di by dt. Next minus 1 upon C integration of I dt is equal to 0. So put R value, L value and C value. So 100 minus R means 2 into I. Next minus L is 1. So L into di by dt means 1 into di by dt. Next minus 1 upon C. C value is what? C value किती आहे? 1 farad आहे. ओके, त्यामुळं त्याचा पण आन्सर इथं काय येईल? 1 upon 1 integration of I dt is equal to 0. म्हणजेच 100 minus 2I minus di by dt आणि minus 1 into I, sorry, integration of I dt is equal to 0. Take derivative because integration is there. Take derivative of I with respect to t. So derivative of 100 is 0, minus 2 into di by dt. Next minus d square I divided by dt square. Next integration and derivation will get cancelled, only I is equal to 0. Okay, आता minus common काढा. D square I as well as arrange in a decreasing order of derivation. D square I by dt square plus 2 into di by dt plus 1 into I is equal to 0. Okay, so already here coefficient is 1 is there. म्हणजे इथं काही डिवाइड बाय बोथ साइड असला क्वेश्चनच राहणार नाही. ऑलरेडी इट इज coefficient 1. So directly you can write the characteristic equation. Therefore the characteristic equation is d square plus 2d plus 1 into I is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. Okay, therefore आता रूट सांगा मला. इथे a is equal to 1 आहे, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. Therefore the roots of characteristics equation are डायरेक्टली तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेटर मधून काढू शकता किंवा -1 बरोबर आहे. Okay, or I will tell as a d1 comma d2 is equal to minus b plus or minus. You can use calculator and both manual method is also available. -2 plus minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. So 4 minus 4, this will give the 0. So minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 1, means d1 comma d2 is minus 1 comma minus 1. ओके, जरी एकच असेल मायनस वन, जरी आन्सर येत असेल, दोन रूट्स आहेत, त्यामुळे मायनस वन आणि मायनस वन. सो व्हॉट आर द नेचर? नेचर काय आहे? द रूट्स, येस. सो द रूट्स आर रियल अँड इक्वल. म्हणजे तिन्ही टाईपचे मी एक्झाम्पल घेतलोय, बरोबर आहे, ऑल थ्री केसेस. सो द रूट्स आर रियल अँड इक्वल, देअरफॉर the solution for linear differential equation number 1, म्हणजे इक्वेशन नंबर 1 is given by, सांगा मला फॉर्म्युला काय केस नंबर 3 चा सोल्युशनचा? एनीवन रिमेंबर्ड? I is equal to e raised to k1 into t in bracket c1 plus c2 into t, बरोबर आहे का? चेक करू शकता. वेअर k1 is equal to ओनली रियल पार्ट, कारण इकडचं k2 0 आहे, हियर k2 is 0 and k1 is minus 1. Understood? So I is equal to k1 into t into c1 plus c2, where c1 and c2 are the arbitrary constant. So here I is equal to e raised to minus 1 into t, that is e raised to minus t in bracket c1 plus c2 into t. So this will be the equation number 2. Okay, so we need to find out the c1 and c2 value by using initial conditions. Can we complete this problem? It will require 5 more minutes. Okay, so initial condition we are going to use. So same statement will come when switch was open, for t less than 0, म्हणजे जेव्हा t less than 0 होता तेव्हा स्विच ओपन होता, ड्यू टू विच मीन्स that is at t is equal to 0 minus equal to 0, the current of 0 minus is also 0 ampere. मग स्विच ओपन असेल तर करंट 0च असणार आहे, बिकॉज नो इनिशियल चार्ज ऑन द कॅपॅसिटर as well as inductor, due to which the current you are getting 0. So put these in equation 2. So I is 0, E is equal to e raised to minus 0 because t is 0 into c1 plus c2 into 0 because time t is equal to 0. Whenever the time is there, you can put as a 0, and whenever the current is also there, you can put as a 0. So what you are getting here, 0 is equal to e raised to 0 is 1 into c1 plus this is also 0. So what is the value of c1? C1 is equal to 0. Okay, so put c1 चा आन्सर मिळाला. Put this in equation 2. So equation 2 is I is equal to e raised to minus t, c1 is 0, means only c2 into t is remaining. So this is equation number 3. आता आपल्याला आता c2 काढायचे आहे. So how to find out c2 value now? Again use the initial condition. Okay, so initial conditions you can use. So for that what you have to find out? Di by dt, take derivative of equation 3 with respect to time t. याचा डेरिवेशन घ्यायचा. सो di by dt is equal to c2 constant, बरोबर आहे. आता t इंटू ई रेस टू मायनस टी त्याचं डेरिव्हेशन घ्यायचं आहे. सो यू कॅन यूज UV रूल. This is u, this is v. Okay, so use the UV rule. You take as it is t into derivation of v with respect to t, that is e raised to minus t into minus 1 plus e raised to minus t as it is ठेवायचा. आता v term as it is ठेवायचा. Take the derivation of u term. So derivation of t with respect to t is 1. I will write here UV rule. Derivation of UV with respect to t is equal to u as it is derivation of v term plus v as it is derivation of u term. Okay, so लक्षात राहावं म्हणून मी लिहिलेलं आहे. So this is applied here same way. So di by dt is equal to C2 into minus 1 into t means minus t into e raised to minus t plus e raised to minus t. Okay, so this is the equation number 4. So initial condition now, as switch is closed at t equal to 0, that is at t equal to 0 plus inductor acts as open circuit, same as the previous problem, and capacitor acts as short circuit. So I will draw the diagram. So when switch was closed at time t equal to 0, this is a resistor R is equal to 2 ohm as it is. Inductor becomes open and capacitor becomes short, and the supply voltage is connected to 100 volt. Okay, so switch is closed for t equal to 0. So resistor R is equal to 2 ohm. This is the voltage across inductor. We are going to find out VL, and capacitor is getting short. So this is open. Okay, so the current in the circuit I of 0 plus is 0 ampere because open circuit is there. हा 0 ampere असेल तर ह्याच्या अक्रॉस व्होल्टेज किती असणार आहे? 0 volt. ह्याच्या अक्रॉस व्होल्टेज शॉर्ट सर्किट मुळे 0 volt. So what is the voltage across VL? Therefore, yes. So VL of 0 plus is equal to 100 volt. So VL means what? L into di by dt is equal to 100. So di by dt is equal to 100 by L. So L value is 1 Henry. So 100 divided by 1 is equal to 100. So this is for t as a 0 plus. Okay, जेव्हा t 0 plus असतो तेव्हा VL of 0 plus is 100 volt. So VL means what? L into di by dt. So that is equal to 100. So di by dt is equal to 100 by L, that is 100 by 1 is equal to 100. So put I of 0 plus, sorry, t of 0 plus असं लिहा. For put t is equal to 0 plus equal to 0, the di by dt is equal to 100 in equation number 4. बरोबर आहे. मग इक्वेशन नंबर 4 काय आहे बघा. di by dt, first of all I will write equation 4 as it is. Di by dt is equal to C2 into minus t into e raised to minus t plus e raised to minus t. So wherever t is there you can put 0, and wherever di by dt is there you can put 100. So it is 100 is equal to C2 into, this is 0 because t into this one is there. Okay, so 0 plus e raised to 0 plus e raised to 0. So it will C2 into 1. Okay, that is equal to 100. So therefore C2 is equal to what? 100. Therefore the final solution is C1 तर already तुमचं 0 आलेलं आहे. Therefore final solution is, you can put in equation number 3. Final solution is given by equation number 3. That is I is equal to, so equation number 3 I will write first of all. I is equal to e raised to minus t into C2 into t. So I is equal to C2 चं value फक्त ठेवायचं, that is 100 into t into e raised to minus t. So this is the answer of current. That is equation number 5. त्याचा तुम्ही युनिट लिहू शकता ampere. So all three type of example I have taken. The first one based on the case number 2, second problem based on case number 1, and this third number problem based on case number 3. Okay, any doubt in this problem?